Fanta's story begins during World War II in Germany. In 1940, due to trade restrictions and embargoes on key ingredients imposed by the Allies, Coca-Cola Germany was unable to receive the concentrates needed to produce Coca-Cola. Max Keith, the head of the German subsidiary of Coca-Cola, decided to create a new drink using locally available ingredients. These ingredients included food byproducts such as buttermilk and apple pulp. The resulting drink was named Fanta, a name derived from the German word fantasy, imagination, suggested by an employee in a brainstorming session. Fanta became a hit in Germany, providing a refreshing alternative in difficult times. After the war, Coca-Cola regained the brand and began expanding production of Fanta, developing the orange version that is so popular today. Since then, Fanta has grown to become one of the most recognized carbonated beverage brands in the world, with a variety of flavors enjoyed in numerous countries. In this video, we will explore each stage of the meticulous production process that takes place in Fanta's modern factories. From the initial mixture of the ingredients that create that unmistakable fruity flavor, through the careful preparation of the syrup, to the precise carbonation that gives life to those sparkling bubbles that we enjoy so much. We'll also look at how bottles and cans are sterilized and filled to ensure maximum quality and freshness, and how products are labeled and packaged before being shipped around the world. Join us on this detailed tour and learn about the rigorous quality controls and cutting-edge technology that ensure every sip of Fanta is perfect. Get ready to discover the secrets of the production of your favorite drink, and stay with us until the end to learn curious and surprising facts that you probably didn't know. Let us begin. Ingredients. The production of Fanta requires a wide variety of key ingredients, each playing a fundamental role in creating the flavor and quality of the drink. Flavor concentrates. These concentrates are specific for each variety of Fanta, such as orange, lemon, grape, pineapple, among others, which contain a precise mix of natural and artificial aromas. Water. High-quality water is the main base of the drink. It undergoes a rigorous filtration and purification process to guarantee its purity and drinkability, ensuring that it does not contribute unwanted flavors or impurities to the final drink. The mineral content is also adjusted to ensure it is suitable for mixing with other ingredients and maintain the consistency of Fanta's flavor. Sugar or sweeteners. Sugar provides sweetness and balances the flavor of the drink. The amount of added sugar is carefully controlled to maintain a consistent flavor profile and meet health and nutrition standards. Low-calorie sweeteners are also used to provide sweetness without adding significant calories to the drink, as is the case with Diet Fanta. Citric acids. Acids are added to enhance the flavor of Fanta and act as natural preservatives. Citric acid is commonly used and also provides a touch of acidity that balances the sweetness of the drink. Colorants. Colorants serve to reproduce the distinctive flavor of each Fanta variety. They can be natural, such as carotenoids, or artificial, such as tartrazine, to give color to the drink. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is responsible for giving the characteristic carbonation and effervescence to Fanta. This process is carried out with precision to achieve the appropriate level that defines the sensory experience of the drink. Preservatives. In the production of Fanta, as in other soft drinks, preservatives are used to ensure the stability and safety of the product during storage and distribution. Some preservatives, such as sodium benzoate or potassium sorbate, help prevent the growth of microorganisms and prolong the shelf life of the drink. Syrup preparation. Syrup preparation in Fanta production begins with precise measurement of essential ingredients, including flavor concentrate, sugar, or alternative sweeteners in diet versions, purifying water, and citric acid. The flavor concentrate, which is a key component in its ability to impart Fanta's distinctive fruity flavor, is first mixed with sugar and citric acid, which provides the drink's characteristic acidity. These ingredients are added to a large mixing tank, where purifying water is slowly incorporated to facilitate complete dissolution of the solids and ensure a homogeneous mixture. The mixing tank is equipped with high-speed agitators that ensure uniform distribution of all components, avoiding the formation of lumps and ensuring a smooth and consistent texture of the syrup. In addition, colorants and preservatives are incorporated in precise proportions, not only to confer Fanta's characteristic vibrant color, but also to ensure the stability and durability of the final product. During stirring, parameters such as sugar concentration and acidity are constantly monitored, adjusting as necessary to meet the exact specifications of Fanta's recipe. Filtered out. Once the Fanta syrup mixture has reached the desired homogeneity, the next step is the filtering process. This process is carried out to eliminate any impurities or residual particles that may have remained from the mixture of ingredients, thus ensuring the purity and quality of the final syrup. The syrup is pumped from the mixing tank through a series of precision filters. These filters, which can vary in pore size depending on production specifications, are designed to trap and remove any unwanted material, including solid particles and possible microbiology contaminants. Once the syrup has passed through all the filters, it is collected into stainless steel storage tanks, where it is kept under controlled conditions to preserve its freshness and quality until it is ready to be used in the next stage of production. This rigorous filtration process ensures that Fanta syrup meets purity and quality standards before being combined with carbonated water and bottled. Mixture of syrup with carbonated water. The Fanta preparation process continues with the combination of concentrated syrup and carbonated water, ensuring the exact proportion and proper carbonation. At this stage, the previously prepared and filtered concentrated syrup is mixed with carbonated water in a specialized device called a drink mixer. The standard ratio for this mix is typically 5:1 water to syrup, although it can be adjusted slightly depending on the specific recipe for each Fanta flavor to ensure the ideal flavor profile. Carbonation of water is an essential step that is carried out before mixing it with the syrup. Carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under high pressure in a carbonation tank. This tank is designed to keep CO2 dissolved until the necessary saturation is reached, creating the bubbles characteristic of carbonated drinks like Fanta. The high pressure ensures that an optimal amount of CO2 is kept in solution, which is crucial to achieving the desired effervescence in the final product. Once the water has been properly carbonated, it is introduced into the drink mixer, where it is combined with the syrup in the exact proportion. This mixer is equipped with precise controls to ensure that the mixture is uniform and consistent. During this process, factors such as temperature and pressure are continuously monitored to maintain the quality and stability of the beverage. Filling and packaging. In Fanta production, sterilization of packaging is a critical step to ensure the hygiene and quality of the final product. Bottles and cans are washed thoroughly with sterile water to remove any residue or impurities. Subsequently, they undergo treatment with steam or disinfectant solutions that guarantee the elimination of any microorganisms, ensuring that the containers are completely clean and safe for filling. The filling process is carried out with automatic filling machines equipped with high-precision nozzles. These nozzles fill containers with Fanta's carbonated mixture, maintaining volume accuracy and minimizing carbonation loss during the process. The speed and precision of these machines ensure that each container is filled evenly and efficiently. Once filled, the containers are immediately sealed to preserve the quality and carbonation of the drink. In the case of bottles, snap-on or screw caps are used, which are applied with automatic capping machines that guarantee an airtight seal. For the cans, aluminum lids are used that are sealed using a crimping process, ensuring that the cans are completely closed and ready for distribution. Finally, the containers go through a labeling stage. Labels are applied automatically and accurately, displaying the Fanta brand, nutritional information, ingredients, and expiration dates. This step is not only crucial for the presentation of the product, but also for providing consumers with the necessary information about the contents and safety of the product. The entire labeling process is carefully monitored to ensure that each container meets established quality and regulatory standards. Once Fanta's production process is complete, the finished product is stored under optimal conditions in specialized warehouses before being distributed through an extensive logistics network. We hope you enjoyed this fascinating look at the production process of Fanta, from humble beginnings during World War II to becoming a global phenomenon. From the careful selection of ingredients to the meticulous sterilization of packaging and precise filling, Every step of the way is infused with passion, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to quality. What did you find most interesting about this tour? We would love to hear your comments and suggestions for future videos. Are there any other production processes you would like to explore? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future exciting videos, and share this content with friends and family who are also interested in discovering the secrets behind their favorite drinks. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until the next adventure.